Hello guys, Nandor here. Today we want to shoot some nice portrait in the local park with Bia. As equipment I use my Nikon Z6 and the 85mm 1.8 portrait lens. My idea was to find nice and colorful background to her outfit. And we all do in the park, and we find this location with these old ruined walls. Very important to find the right pose for the location and the good angle of shooting. For portraits you can use props also. We found some cherry tree flowers behind us and I asked her to hold it to her face. Minor correction for the poses, like how to hold hands, turn body or shoulders, or which direction she looks can change a lot. These tips can add much more to your final image. Finally, everything is worked out great, and it was so fun to work with Bia. I show you this image and let's jump to the post-processing. This is the picture I want to post-process here. My method what I use is frequency separation, the other one is dodge and burn. I show you both in this video. First thing what I do is duplicate this layer. I will rename it to skill. And I will remove the skin blemishes. Here you see there are some skin blemishes what I removing in her face. These are non-permanent marks with the healing tool. Just a couple of clicks. This will be enough, I think. Okay. You remove all of the blemishes. And to make a merge layer by clicking on new layer, Command on or Control Shift A. Shift Option Control and E. This is a merge layer which merges everything under this layer. It's like a JPEG. When you go to file save as a JPEG, this layer will show the same. Okay, and I duplicate this layer also. I will rename it to texture. The first layer will be color. Done. Okay, this two-layer texture and color will be crucial for our frequency separation. Let's start with color. I go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Need to find the face, zoom in, and you need to find the radius when the skin texture disappears. It's like 7, 8, 7.8 or something. 8 will be good for me. Okay, click it. Okay. Then go to the texture, image, apply image, and make sure layer is color, channel RGB, blending mode, subtract, opacity is 100, scale 2, offset 128, click OK, then choose the layer blending mode 2, linear light. Here. Okay. Now, first let's turn off all the texture and come to brushes, not this one, and mixer brush tool. Okay, wetness 2%, load 75, mix 90%, and flow, let's start with 30% and start to brush the skin. This will mix the skin colors and soften the skin a little bit. Like this. You can turn on the texture layer also. And play around the numbers. Here. Click over the highlighted areas. You see the highlights a little bit better here. Okay. There also. Here is the before, here is the after. You can play around. I just show you the technique. You see the highlights here are disappearing, and here also, so you can correct the skin as much as you want. I don't go all over in this picture because I done it and it takes a lot of time, so try it yourself. Okay, I select this 3 layer, Command or Control G, group it, and I rename it to FS, like frequency separation. Done. Okay, another one is dodge and burn. Okay, create a new layer, go to edit, fill, content 50% gray, blending mode normal, opacity 100. Okay, and change the layer blending mode to overlay. Alright, what you can do here is click on the dodge tool or burning tool, and you can add some shadows or highlights to your picture. Let's see, resize the brush, can highlight up the eyelashes. I mean, burn it a little bit, make it a little bit darker, this way it can pop a little bit more. And I can increase the brightness on the eyes also, makes the eyes a little bit pop. It is okay, here a little bit. It's also just a little bit. Alright. Let's play on the hair. Make the brush a little bit bigger. Go to the highlighted areas to change the blending mode to mid-tones. And brush over the highlights a little bit, not too much. And then burning tool. Paint over the shadow area. You can choose range to shadow, midtones and highlights. Alright. You see the hair a little bit different, and you can play around for hours, and you can make very significant changes to your portraits. Let's see the before and after. I think this is a little bit better than before. Alright, so dodge and burn and frequency separation. Thank you guys. This is all what I wanted to show you. See you in the next video.